Good morning, Phoenix, Arizona. So I'm about to show you the cutest townhome in one of my favorite locations. I'm out here in zip code 85020, 12th Court in Point Resort, Condo Tapatio Cliffs. There's some amazing properties in here, and believe it or not, you're about to look at a home that's under $400,000, centrally located to everything. All right, we're gonna head on in. So this right here is super cute. If I could figure out how to open the gate properly. Been here multiple times. My client is actually closing on this home tomorrow. Super excited for him. And what you see is what you get. This home right here came fully furnished for under $400,000. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful landscaping. You have this side courtyard area. This property is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, just around 1,474 square feet. Whew. It's not that hot yet. It's just warm. You know, we're getting through the summer in Arizona. We get used to this. All right, we're gonna head on in right now. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Super, super, super cute. So this property, whoa, trip there a little bit, has some amazing unique features such as this great chandelier. It has a dining area right here. I just love them. So this townhome right here was built in 1993. You have a lot size of about 729 square feet, which is pretty nice. When you have a townhome, sometimes you just get this little square space. As you've seen, you have more of a patio setup out there, so you have space to hang out with where it's not too overwhelming. This particular unit was priced at $375,000. And again, this one came fully furnished, guys. So yes, they do allow short-term rentals in this particular community. And as we all know, in Phoenix, it's kind of hard sometimes to find a community that will allow that. So if you're trying to find an investment property, trying to make some money out here and have a second home, or just have a great investment where you can rent it out and make a little bit more on your monthly budget on it, well, this is a great community to do so. There's also a couple more in this area that you can get for under $400K, which keeps it pretty affordable. So this townhome has a great open floor plan, adorable kitchen. We have stainless steel appliances. And yes, as I said, everything stays, even the coffee machine. I love coffee. If you can't tell, I've already had 2 today. A little fired up. All right, so we're gonna walk on this. I'm gonna show you the laundry room. I mean, let's be real, it's not really my favorite spot, but it's always good to have indoor laundry. This unit too has a great pantry right here, so you have a lot of storage. That's the one thing about this townhome that I thought was pretty cool. You have closet space everywhere. You're gonna see that as we're walking through. It's pretty move-in ready. My homeowner's super excited. We got a little bit right here. Pickleball, baby, pickleball. So in Phoenix, I'm not sure where you're from, but Phoenix, Arizona, it is the new hot thing to do. I haven't tried it yet. Haven't had a minute in a day to catch my breath to try to figure that sport out. But if it's anything like golf, I'm probably gonna be a slow learner. We'll just say my golf game's not the best, but I do enjoy hanging out and going to the golf course every now and then. So this townhome also has a 1-car garage. It's pretty deep, so you definitely could fit a car in here without an issue. As for storage, I mean, you do have this little area right here, but the storage would be probably more inside. This laundry room is actually pretty big. It even has an area where you could add a sink in, some more countertop space. Let the imagination go wild. Close this up over here. So this unit has some tile. This is tile floor, guys. So in Arizona, we have a lot of tile. There is carpet also in this unit, so it's pretty warm and cozy. This slider right here goes out to that patio area I was showing you. Take a little look from the inside. Oh, sugar plum fairy. All right, hold on. Let's open this up. Okay. Oh yeah. So you can set up a little barbecue right here. Super cute. Maybe a yoga mat. Okay, so I just want to show you one more thing. Look at these windows. Super cool. That's the one thing I love about this community. All the units have their own character. Look at that. Yeah, super, super cool. It's a very, very fun floor plan. We have a bathroom right here on the first floor. So if you have guests, oh gosh, let me put that toilet seat down. Drives me bonkers. Toilet seats up. We have that vintage gold shower, which is now back in style. Wild. Today is a good day for a good day. Yes, ma'am, it is. All right, we're gonna swing on out. Doo-doo-doo-doo. So cute. So this right here, you're a walking distance to the community pool. I believe there's 3 in this community, if memory serves me correctly. They also have a vent. Look at the staircase. Yes, you need a ladder or a contractor that has some kind of lift. Thank goodness the paint's in great shape. You don't have to worry about that anytime soon. Again, lots of lighting. Has a great feel. So there's 2 bedrooms in this unit and 2 full bathrooms. And those windows. Let's check this out. There is your family room. Pretty awesome. We're gonna check out the secondary bedroom first. All right. So the owners of this unit did a great job with decorating. This is a queen size bed. Decor is super cute. Gives you that little desert Arizona feel right there. Great windows. So again, lots of lighting. All right, we're gonna head on this way. And this is the master. Oh, let's make it a little bit more dramatic. All right, and here we go, guys. Welcome to where the magic happens. Oh yeah, baby. So this master is super cute, very simply designed, has a king size bed, great space. It's actually a pretty good size master, and you have your own balcony. I mean, I can imagine myself having coffee out here. Whoa, little finger action right there. Sorry about that. But yes, we're gonna take a look more at that area you have. So super cool. You have your own living space, lots of privacy. It is pretty quiet. Have that mountain view right there. Yeah, this unit is a great location. I've had a couple clients that have purchased in this area and absolutely love it. HOA is super reasonable. They include cable and water. The only thing you have to pay for is the electric and the internet, which is pretty nice not to have to worry about having a water bill. And they cover your cable. I mean, my Netflix and YouTube TV, we're trying to see which one we are going to get rid of. Inflation. This one right here, the master has a tub shower combo. Again, with that beautiful gold aesthetic. Double sinks. And this comes right out to here, so we're gonna swing it around. So both bedrooms will be using that one bathroom. right, we're gonna head back down. And again, just that open feel, kitchen sink with the window, perfection. So yes, if you're thinking about moving to Phoenix, Arizona, curious to see if you can afford to live out here, get a low price property in a great location with a lot of freedom, this could be it. This could be the neighborhood for you. This could be the place you want me to send you over some listings. There's still some available. I mean, they go kind of quick, but they're out here, guys. So you can get a home in Phoenix, Arizona, move-in ready to rock for under $400,000. If this is a property that you would like, maybe not this one, remember it's sold, but I could get you one sort of like it, same area, same location, same great amenities. Please give me a call, shoot me a text, 623-210-0386. We're gonna head on out. The final walkthrough is complete. And have an awesome day.